Folks, welcome back to another morning, my Jamaican life. Coming out, the workmen hard at work. Yes, sir. Workmen hard at work doing their thing. Building a walkway down for my grandma. You can see it coming along nicely. They know what they're doing. This shit takes a lot of, you got to know what you're doing. So he's trying to catch it, coming down, so he's coming all the way down. All right. Yep. You look at the guys cooking. So they're cooking some food for them. I don't know what they're cooking. We're cooking for them, but something is boiling up here. I don't know what that is. Look like something warming up. Here they're making some, it's bungo peas or what, and then saltfish boiling. Alright, so yeah, hard at work. Eh? Alex, come with the gravy. And come and gone already? How are the bird cage this? Yes. Yeah, man. This is the work. Do the drawing over that side. So you have a hoe to see how the hoe works. See it? Yep, guys hard at work doing their thing. We'll let the guys work. We'll come back and take another shot at it. So this is what my morning is going to be like in my day. So they're building it, come all the way down. Go all the way down. See Chef Gav doing his thing. His thing-a-ling-a-ling. I don't know what he's cooking now, but he's throwing some stuff in. See that? Real Jamaican outdoor cooking. And the wood fire. Yeah, man. Top man style. Up, up, up. Little step outside, little kitchen, little table outdoors. So yeah, this is outdoors cooking, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. And this is cold right here, you know what I mean? Yeah. Guys doing their stuff. Yep. So when it's all done, it's gonna look way better. You know, instead of walking along this rocky, dangerous path right here, gonna make it fixable, walkable. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna get it done little by little, step by step. Work it out, sort it out. And Chef Gav doing this thing as usual. Yeah, man. It's another typical morning for me. I'm a little bit exhausted. I gotta get back into class now, but I love you guys. Keep on doing what you're doing. Just support, support, support. Okay? Watch the videos, comment, share, subscribe, and all the good stuff. I love y'all. Okay? All right. Yeah. So I'm gonna finish up this. It's the last one for the day. So guys, just keep it short, keep it coming. All right, keep your stories coming. I'm sorry. Keep your comments going, your vlogs going, and your comments, and I don't know what the heck I'm saying. But yeah, you guys making this happen. It's in the kitchen. I don't know what we made. I just made some leaf tea this morning. Some leaf, 2-leaf soursop and fever grass. The bomb. You hear me? The bomb. See my wife over there working and feeding her face at the same time. Yeah. This is the greenness back here. It's the banana trees. Pimento, that's an allspice tree right there. And that's a thatch tree, we call it palm tree. So, and this right here, I had to get this done. This is a chocho tree on top of this orange tree right here. We gotta take the chocho tree down because it's killing the orange tree, stifling it. And, you know, I just don't like that, okay? It's not good, it's not safe. It's killing everything around here. So right here is gonna be reorganized. It's gonna be reorganized. I don't have time to do it, but I'm gonna get it done. It's a coffee tree there. There's so many things right here. Let me go back over here real quick for you guys. All right. So yeah, guys doing their thing, and they're getting it done. All right. All right, y'all. See y'all guys later. Okay. All right. See y'all later. Bye.